My name is Nancy and I'd like to show you a wine cellar project that is a small room but a magnificent one. The words small and magnificent are not usually used in describing the same thing, but the grapevine cellar is just that. This climate-controlled space is only about 6 foot by 8 foot, but incorporates many of our products to become a beautiful showpiece. We took the racks up to a height of just over 8.5 feet tall. The room has a barrel ceiling. We were handed this room to work with when the initial framing was completed in this new home build. Let's begin with the original drawings. The cellar will hold approximately 857 bottles. The overhead view shows where the door is located and how we have racks down both sides and across the back wall. The left side includes a small window to the kitchen between two half-height quarter rounds. We will go through each elevation as shown in the drawing. Elevation A, the left side, Elevation B, the back wall, and Elevation C, the right side. Elevation A includes individual bottle storage with 2 display rows. The bottom row is a high reveal display and the upper is a low reveal display. Each of these display rows has a light valance where we will attach our LED lighting. On the right is a half-height quarter round to end the row at the window. The quarter round is sitting on a reclaimed wine barrel tabletop that is under the small window above. This is not shown in the drawing. Below is storage for 2 wood cases. These bins can also be used for bulk bottle storage. We used our standard crown and base moldings all around. Elevation B is what you see looking in from the door. On the left and facing the other quarter round on elevation A is a second half-height quarter round. We then have horizontal lattice large bottle storage at the top, a solid deluxe arch with hand-carved grapevine design, and glass racks is just inside a magnum bottle individual column on each side. As you will see later, we included a tumbled marble tiled back area for behind the arch. This is also not shown in the drawings. We included a reclaimed wine barrel tabletop, 2 drawers with hand-carved grapevine design, and a solid diamond bin. Elevation C is similar to Elevation A, except that the individual bottle storage and display rows extend all across the entire distance. Here is the 3D overhead view. The back wall looking in, the left wall where you can see the window placement and how the half-height quarter rounds make a transition to the window. As shown, we also included an electrical outlet here. Here is the right wall. The door wall includes a custom door that we designed for our customer with his input. The bottom is solid and the upper section is glass with a grapevine design. It includes an automatic door bottom which drops down to seal below the door when the door is closed and pulls up inside the door when it opens. Another 3D view of both sides. Now let's see the finished product. We'll start outside the cellar in the kitchen. We created a beautifully framed window with iron that matches the door. It almost looks like framed artwork on the wall. Here is a close-up view of the entire window. Now a little closer still so you can see the level of design in the iron grapes and leaves. As we walk around the corner to the door, we view the fully arched door with the iron grapevine design at the top and solid wood panel below. We used our standard E618 case molding and a rustic stain and lacquer. Our door handle set and lock is the French colonial in oil rubbed bronze. I love the intricate design. The iron on the door is operable, meaning it opens up for ease of cleaning the dual pane glass behind. As we open the door, you can see the beautiful cellar inside. Above the door, we have 2 cold air supply vents. This room is being cooled with a self-contained ducted Wine Guardian quarter-ton unit that is sitting above the room in an attic area. The attic area is very well insulated to keep the area around the unit from becoming too hot or too cold during seasonal changes. You can also see a portion of the stone coat walls and ceiling in this photo. Here again you can see the stone ceiling and the LED recessed lighting that were used on this project. The lighting is movable to point toward the racks or wherever the customer wants them to point. Stone coat covers all the walls and ceiling. This is composed of crushed limestone from France. It is a breathable product and is perfect for wine cellars. The stone is blown onto the surface and hand carved and colored to the customer's choice of design. It only uses about 1 inch of thickness and is great for walls and ceilings as it weighs less than using thick stone pieces. It is also less costly. Yes, it is real stone. The inside of the door is also beautiful. The inside door handle set includes a matching design with a round knob and deadbolt. On the left of the door, the racks begin. The racks were manufactured in unfinished premium redwood. Here you can see the high reveal display row with a low reveal display row above and the half-height quarter round at the end. The floor was done with cooperage, reclaimed wine barrel flooring. It's made from the tops and bottoms of wine barrels and has cooperage markings from the various vineyards in the wood. 2 solid case storage bins are on the bottom of the left. Here is a close-up view of the half-height quarter round bottom on the left. You can also see a portion of the wine barrel tabletop and wall switch we provided. The bottom of the right half-height quarter round, note the radius molding. In this photo, we show the radius molding at the top of the quarter round. The window, wine barrel tabletop, and partial view of the quarter rounds. Another angle looking toward the back left. Moving around the room, we begin to see the arched area coming into view. The wine barrel tabletop continues into the arched area. Looking toward the back wall, you can see the big bottle lattice horizontal display racks at the top, the side rows for magnum storage, the solid arch with LED puck light, the tumbled marble tile mural, wine barrel tabletop, drawers, and diamond bins. A bit of the 2 sides also shows up in this photo, as well as the wine barrel floor. Note the stone showing through the racks on the wall. The LED puck light shines down on the tumbled marble mural. The 2 drawers below are hand carved with grapevine design to match the carving on the arch above. We included our vineyard collection hardware for the drawer pulls. A little better close-up look. The drawers include European self-closing slide hardware. A return vent in the ceiling allows the warm air to go back to the cooling unit in the attic above. Solid double deep diamond bins will hold 196 bottles on their own. It looks great next to the wine barrel flooring. A little better look at our solid deluxe arch with hand-carved grapevine design and glass racks on the sides. A puck light is centered to shine on the tabletop area. A close-up of the grape carving. Left side with magnum storage and glass rack. Right glass rack. Tumbled marble tiles behind the arched area and behind the cooperage tabletop makes a magnificent focal point. Moving toward the right side of the cellar, we see the double display rows. LED lighting over both display rows. High reveal display at the bottom and a low reveal display at the top. Individual bottle storage racks fills the rest of the upper wall and shows off the stone behind and above. A little close-up of our display rows. We'll leave you today looking through the open door at the small but magnificent custom wine cellar by Cellar Specialists. For the wine cellar of your dreams, call us today.